So this is the screen that opens up once you have clicked on 3D design, and then you have created a new design page by logging it into your TinkerCad account. So this is the work plane, and on the right you have a panel for taking different shapes and dropping it into the work plane. From the drop down you can choose characters, text, numbers, and drop them into the onto the work plane. Once you have done that, you can use this drop down menu to change the color. In case you need to make it as a carving in some different shape, you can make it, choose the option of hole here. You can alter the length, you can alter the width, you can alter the height, and you can alter the radius is used for the rounding off of the corners, and you can alter the steps, which is used for making the surface glass smooth or not. So you can use this button for mirroring the object according to all these three axes. And in case you drop one more object here, you can select both of them by drawing a box like this and then clicking on group. In case you need to ungroup them, again select both of them like this, and you can ungroup also. So when you group them, both of them change to the same color, and when you ungroup them, both of them come to their original color. Here you have option of deleting the object, duplicating the object, and then copying and then pasting the object. From here, you can go to the home view. We are already in the home view. In case we zoom in and again we zoom out, we can go to the home view like this. This is the actual view. This is the flat view from the top, and when you can again click on it to go to the previous view, and you can use this cube to see the different views. That's the top, the back. You can shift according to that. So for doing all this using pointer mouse would be great, but in case you don't have it, otherwise also it's fine. From here you can import, export, or send. Using import you can import some 3D file onto your work plane. Using export you can export this design which you have created, and using send to you can share it also. Otherwise this design gets saved.